Hey guys, Container Crop Scaredy Cat Gardener here. This is going to be a real short, quick video. I want to show you something. If you're growing in containers where you can move your containers around, I want to show you why you need to move your containers around ever so often. Okay guys, we are back and I am actually rotating my containers. I'm moving them from one place to another, cleaning off the bottoms of them, and this is why. Sometimes guys, when your plants aren't growing, you need to check underneath the bottom of them, especially if you're in containers. Look at this, ants are everywhere. Something else is growing down there. I don't know what it is, but it's getting ready to get out of here because I'm getting ready to clean this off and move this pot. Always check under your pots if something's going wrong and you can't figure it out. Move the pot, take a look up underneath. Let's go over here. I just moved two pots from over here. You can see where they were sitting. I just moved them around. You don't have to necessarily move them to another place if you don't have the spot, but if you can move them to another spot or just simply move them clean from up underneath them. But you're going to have to get up under the pot too. Now I know you have plants in the pots, but I've just moved these over here, scooted them around a little bit, and some of them, as you can see, they just have different things growing underneath them. You got to clean up under the pot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean this. So let's go on over. Okay guys, so now that we've washed up under our pots, we've got to do something to try to help prevent that from happening again so soon. And that would be a simple solution of white vinegar, just plain white vinegar, nothing fancy. I have a little dish soap and water that was already in this bottle. You can add dish soap to this if you want to. You don't have to. You can simply use vinegar. And in here I just have some water. So I'm going to mix vinegar and water, pretty much equal parts, but I'm not going to measure. I'm just going to pour some in here. It is just vinegar and it's not going on my plants. Since this was just soap and water, I'm going to go ahead and leave the soap in there. Get you a good clean spray bottle and pour you some vinegar in there, because ants and a lot of insects hate the smell of them. And you know, ants are all in our garden and everything, and that's fine and dandy, but you don't want them to create a hot mess under your plants either. And I'm gonna pour some water in here. Nothing fancy at all. And again, it's nothing that's going to hurt your plants either, but you're really getting ready to spray the bottom of the container and the area that your plants are actually sitting on. Okay, give it a little shake. Make sure it's kind of mixed in there, and let's head on over. Okay, so we're just going to first see if I have a different setting on here. Yep, that's better. I like the stream personally. Just spray the area really good. Make sure it's good and wet. You can also spray the outside of your container at the bottom of it. And then don't forget to go ahead and, if you can, lift your plant pot up again as best you can and try to spray the bottom of it as well. You want to do that on all sides. And that should take care of it. Don't forget to come back again and check on your pots. Okay guys, if you got anything out of this video at all, please share it out. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you are not already part of the Scaredy Cat crew. Turn on that notification bell so you'll be the first person to get my notifications when I upload my next video. Guys, it's been amazing spending this time out here with you. Thank you for joining me on my deck. For those of you all who are subscribed, thank you so much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. Please connect to me over on Facebook. It's Container Crops. I have a Facebook group over there. If I can't answer your question, somebody else in the group probably can. Let's post our photos and ask our questions over there too. Guys, until next time, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.